concept of support and resistance lines. Again, we will be exploring this in a lot more detail in technical indicator section. But for now, we can just think of support and resistance lines as unique regions in the graph that the price does something interesting around, whether it bounces back from this for instance, if you are in the first part of this map, you will notice that like this blue line is acting as a support line, price is not able to go below. And one important thing to note about support and resistance is that once that line is broken around the second half, then that region of support becomes a region of resistance. Then the price will test it from the bottom and will find it difficult to rise above that. So if you notice one more thing here, guys, that the price came down here the first time, then it went back up in the starting point, then it tested this support here as well, and it couldn't go below this price range. Then it tried it again and it couldn't go through below the support line, and then it tried it again, and this time it finally went up. So my question to all of you guys is, what do you guys think happens when the price tests the support line? Does it become stronger or weaker? Yep. So I'm getting weak and I'm getting some strong responses also. And yeah, that's one of the common, logical mistakes that people tend to fall. One of the gotchas for support and resistance lines is that people think that, like, if a support line is not being broken after a few times, then it's getting stronger every time. But in fact, that's not the case. What happens is that every time the price tests a support line, the buy orders which are, which are acting as the support, some of those buy orders get filled. Therefore, the likelihood that the price will break a support or a resistance line, increases with every subsequent test.